myself Purvi Kapadia and I am going to make something very interesting and new dish using fruits. See this? Is it look yummy? And have you noticed this is look like a rocket? So its name is Fruity Rocket. For that we can use different type of fruits, like in summer season we can have mango, watermelon, grapes, papaya, banana, kiwi, peach. Okay, fruits gives us lots of nutrients, minerals, vitamins. So we have to eat at least one fruit in a day. And we have to eat seasonal fruits. We don't miss out. If you like banana, if you like apple, that doesn't mean you have to eat only banana and only apple. You have to try different fruits. It gives us energy. It improves our immunity. It is very good for our growth and it protects against disease. For example, apple improves our immune system, very good for our skin and eyes. Banana, it is very good for our teeth, hair and bones. So we are going to take variety of fruits and make Fruity Rocket. For that we need different kinds of fruits like banana, muskmelon, this is orange and this is green muskmelon, chiku, apple, mango, papaya, watermelon and some sticks like this. Okay, so we will start. From these different fruits we are going to start making Fruity Rocket. First I will take green color muskmelon. Okay, this is almost square in shape. So I will stick it like this. Okay, then next I will take papaya, orange color. Then I will take banana, white color. So our Fruity Rocket, it looks so yummy, so delicious, so colorful. Now second chiku. Second stick we are going to start with brown color chiku. Then we'll take mango, yellow color, then I will take watermelon, red color. So this is also look very nice with different colors. Now third stick we are going to start with orange color, orange muskmelon. We'll stick like this. Now I will take brown color chiku. Now I will take green color. See, it looks like triangle shape. Our third stick is also ready. Now fourth stick. First we are going to take mango, yellow color. Next is apple, white color. And third one is red color, watermelon. So our third stick is also ready with different colors. means if you have only 2 fruits. Okay, so we will make like this. First, if I have only banana and mango. Okay, so first I will stick banana, then mango, again banana, and mango. See, this is our delicious, yummy, colorful and healthy fruity rocket is ready to eat. Now enjoy this. You can take your any favorite fruits and you also make it at home and enjoy your fruit dish. Okay, so take care. Bye. See you.